Hi guys, today I'm gonna unbox a big fuggler. It doesn't have a box. This is the only box. So let's unbox it. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my god. Let's unbox it. Oh, it's in here. It's inside the box. One, two, three. This is what I got. See, it's so big. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is it. This is it. It's so big. And look at this. It says big fog. See, it's a big fog. I be wanting. Like it will be so cool if like they make a big box for this. Like for like the small ones like this and this and these. The the keychains are not in here. They're in there outside in my room. It would be like amazing if like this was inside in here in a bigger box. Oh my god, guys, this is so big. Oh my god. And it has so many teeth. See? It has so many teeth. It's like a human. This is the eyes. It is all black. See, oh my god, it is so big. It is so big. Like you can literally hug this in the light like that. Or like it's uncomfortable because the eyes and the mouth is too big. I'm gonna try to. It's kinda ouchy, but I'm just gonna put it like that. Yeah, it's comfortable now. Wowie. Bye guys.